fixed displacement compressor and variable displacement compressor. 2. Throubleshooting. For fixed displacement compressor and variable displacement compressor, the troubleshooting is slightly different. For fixed displacement compressor, if it is found that the compressor is not working properly, first check the clutch engagement. After AC is turned on, if you find that the clutch is not engaged, you should check the electronic control system or the clutch itself. After AC is turned on, if the clutch is engaged normally and there are still abnormal phenomena of high-low side pressure and low-high side pressure, it can be determined that the compressor has failed, needs to be replaced. For AC with variable displacement compressor, if abnormality of low-high side pressure and high-low side pressure occurs, for compressor with a clutch, it is necessary to check the engagement of the clutch, same as fixed displacement compressor system. If the clutch engagement is normal, or the compressor does not contain a clutch, it cannot yet be determined that the compressor is faulty at this moment. At this time, you should first use ECV tester to directly energize the compressor for further inspection. When the duty cycle of PWM of the ECV tester changes, if the high side and low side pressure of the compressor also changes correspondingly, and while the duty cycle reaches maximum, the high side and low side pressure reaches the normal range, it is determined that the compressor is working normally. At this time, it is necessary to troubleshoot the AC electronic control system, including related electronic sensor components, car computers, connecting wires and plug-in terminals, and so on. When the duty cycle of PWM changes, if there is no change or abnormal change in the high side pressure and low side pressure, and when the duty cycle reaches maximum, there is still abnormal phenomena of high-low side pressure and low-high side pressure, it is determined that the compressor or the compressor ECV valve is faulty and needs to be replaced. In addition, for some variable displacement compressors that work normally, but after flushing the AC loop to do compressor oil replacement with equipment, the 3 orifices of the ECV valve spool may lose its control due to the oil film. At this time, you should use the equipment to recover the refrigerant first, then take out the ECV valve spool, clean the 3 orifices with compressed air, and evacuate the AC loop to charge refrigerant, and then the system can resume its normal operation.